Hi guys, Dave here from Wolf in the Wilds. Got another quick video for you based on my 10 C's of Survival series. I started this over a year ago, got the first 5 done, didn't really continue on, got onto other things, completely brain fart, just forgot all about it. So I'm gonna try to finish those off in the next little while. That and I don't really have much of an idea for any other videos, and I haven't been able to do a trip because I drive a Chevy and the transmission is acting up, and I don't know what in the world's going on, but I don't have the money to fix it right now. So we got to do what we got to do. Today's video is about candling devices. Now, there's kind of a back and forth between some, like campers, bushcrafters, survivalists, whatever. Should you bring a flashlight? Should you bring a headlamp? My opinion is, why not both? You're not carrying around like a great big mag light, you know, like a 1970s security guard with like 5 D-cell batteries in it anymore. They make some very, very powerful, very lightweight, compact options in both the flashlight and the headlamp world. Now, that being said, my only suggestion is get one that's with a rechargeable battery in it. The CR 18650s or something like that, whatever it is. Definitely get one that not only is it rechargeable, but it can be recharged on its own. And more about that in a minute. But you know, don't have to have something where you pull the battery out, plug it into something else, and plug it into your charger, your battery, or your solar panel. Get one that can be charged inside the light itself. That's very, very handy, trust me. Also, why both? Well, because it's always good to have a backup. It's always good. Like, sometimes you want to be able to go hands-free, and a headlamp is good for that. A lot of headlamps don't compare to the absolute power of a good handheld tactical flashlight. A lot of them. And it's good to have that so that you can, you know, move your flashlight around and look without, you know, having it attached to your head. So there's pros and cons to each one, and it's good to have both. And as far as a backup goes as well, cell phones. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah. So, you know, I mean, a lot of the time you don't really want to waste the power on your phone, but it is a viable backup for smaller things and whatever. So, I mean, right there you've got 3, you know, all that, like, one on your head, one in your pocket, and one, you know, kind of wherever. So, unfortunately, I did not bring a headlamp as a representation for this video, but we all know what it is. Part of my EDC is my tactical flashlight. By trade, I'm a security guard. I get a lot of use out of these things, and I have the Fenix UC30. One of the better lights I've ever had. I paid actually I paid a little over $100 Canadian for this thing, which is probably like $40 or $50 American, to be honest. But either way, it is a very, very good flashlight. I really like it. Anything by Fenix, you know, it's a pretty good way to go. Right here is where you plug it in to charge it. And it does have the rechargeable battery. It is water resistant, not waterproof. And part of the reason it's not waterproof is that charging port right there. So, not a bad light. 3 modes plus 2 flashing modes. 1,000 lumens at its maximum. Really good light. But wait, there's more. I went out and I got an upgrade, I guess you could say, for the battery. So, yeah, 18650. Who's this made by? Well, it doesn't matter, it's made in China. Either way, not bad, but I'm not sure if you can see it right here, up at the, is that, yeah, up at the top here. You can plug that in to the same port that plugs in here. So, I have 2 of these batteries. When I'm out camping, I take one and I put it in here. I've got the other one. If I want to recharge it, I can still use my flashlight, and I can have one on the battery pack or the solar panel. And while it's charging, I don't lose the ability to use my flashlight, which if it's on the solar panel wouldn't be a problem, but if it's on a battery pack, then yeah, I might possibly need to use the flashlight. Other than that, a decent headlamp for hands-free type tasks, and actually, as kind of a bit of a backup, I have, geez, I don't even know what you would call it. It's a light bulb that hangs up on the inside of my tent. It's made by Woods. I got it at Canadian Tire. And it's even got a little remote. I don't know why you'd need a remote for the tent, but I like it because I keep it in a little pocket in my sleeping bag. And, you know, I'll read or I'll whatever, and when it's time to go to sleep, I'll just pull it out and turn the light off, and I don't have to get out of my sleeping bag to reach up to do it, so it's kind of handy, especially when it's cold. And that being said, I could, you know, take that out of the tent and shine it around and use it as a backup as well, so I'm not, like, draining the battery power of cell phone. So all in all, at the very least, I would recommend both. For candling, it's, like I said before, the 10 C's of survival is not, this C is for this thing, it's, this C is a category of these things that you should basically have in your pack, and a decent rechargeable flashlight and a decent rechargeable headlamp is definitely on that list. I hope that was helpful. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you in the next video. We'll have a good one, and hopefully soon we'll be able to get out and do something a little bit more exciting than just listen to me rap on about, you know, my opinions. Have a good one, guys.